Hi, my name's Cliff, Cliff's Custom Floors. We get rid of as much of that excess glue, and then we, I have a bottle of primer in here. We go over the whole thing with primer, and then that helps encapsulate that old glue. So the old glue that's still there is just stuck so tight, it's probably not gonna ever come up. There's very little account. And then we encapsulate that, then we put the adhesive over that, and then we lay over that. And I walk away with super high confidence that my job is gonna perform excellent for my clients. These are the machines we use on grinding. There's different manufacturers, but this has, and they get gummed up with glue, but these have diamond embedded blades in them. That's why this one wasn't going so fast. So we'll run this and the smaller machine over the glue part, and then we have another, this is more of a regular buffer that we could put just regular sandpaper on. And what we use it also for our initial run, we'll use these plates to kind of get the glue scratched open. And this has a vacuum attached on it, so that is a very important thing too, is to make sure what we're breathing is not going to hurt us. So we can run that, and then we go to this machine. This machine attaches to R2D2 down there, and that has a particle separator. So as we go over and get rid of the bulk of the glue that way, then we go back again over the floor with regular sanding paper, more like probably like a 60 grit with the other machine again, and give it a smoothing element. And that's how we're able to get rid of the bulk of the glue rather than just 4-inch scrapers all day long.